here's the gist of what happened. Acorn is a group that is a group of community organizers. They have several places across the country, and they work with poor folks and disenfranchised folks for housing, for medical health, and all kinds of stuff. The Republicans have always felt that there was something a little off about Acorn, and no one could actually put their finger on it. So now, two young filmmakers who say that they're conservatives went out to show the kinds of people that are working for Acorn, and to give credence to the ideas that, you know, this is not a good organization. I think by
saying that prostitutes could get
by showing that you can go and talk. They went to 5 different places and they talked to 5 different people who all talked. They asked questions like, how do we run prostitutes, or how do we set up crack houses, or whatever. Just the stuff that you know you don't want to see. So so there's now a lot of discussion in Washington whether they should take away Acorn's funding, whether they should see it dismantled, see it disappear.
Well, I understand that they have taken their funding away already.
Not all of it.
Well, a lot of it. It was voted in Congress to take it away. 87 to a few others. I don't know how many left.
But here's my question. So we have seen over the last couple of years boneheads in all organizations. Right. We've seen them on Wall Street. We've seen them in the banking system. We've seen them in Washington. We've seen them all over. Do we dismantle the Senate and the Congress and all of Wall Street and all of these places because there's boneheads, you know what I want to say really badly, but I can't, in all of these places? So here's my question. Who suffers when Acorn disappears?
Poor people.
So maybe it's not a good idea to throw the baby out with the bathwater. It's better to
change things, which Acorn is trying to do. Right. They've shut down all the branches that were compromised. I'm reading they're conducting staff training. They are ordering independent investigations. We gave some of the banks a chance, didn't we, until they found their way. For heaven's sakes, I mean, our field, Whoopi and I, give them a chance. Let them try to do what they're supposed to do, and don't hurt the poor people that don't have any chance.
Isolated more oversight on all of these things.
On everything. I mean, you know, there are boneheads in all organizations. We've worked for them. We know that they're there. But do you kill the whole thing? And I don't think so. Well, a lot of people think that you should kill it, but you can't answer for it. You can't tell me where those people who have become even more disenfranchised go, because we know the Republicans aren't going to take care of them, because we see that that doesn't work anymore.